Today, we introduce a milling cutter, developed and manufactured by our company for aerospace applications. It is fabricated from solid carbide and features a variable helix design, along with an unequal core thickness structure. This milling cutter is specifically engineered to address the challenges of machining high-temperature alloys under severe conditions. It is particularly adept at roughing operations on thin-walled deep cavity components made from high-temperature alloys. If you are interested in this type of cutting tool or have specific requirements, please do not hesitate to contact me. We offer a range of specifications and models for your selection.